Okay, so we've got to describe geometrically the roots of that equation. When it says describe geometrically, it's kind of this, you see this phrase quite a lot on A-level exams. Basically, you want to say kind of what kind of roots has it got. You've got a choice of three. You've either got real roots, repeated roots, or no roots. So let's just have a quick look. So we've got, if we drew them as a graph, you'd have, there we go, two real roots. Your next choice is where it just touches the axis. See if I can draw it neatly. Oh God, that's not supposed to go through the axis, but you get the sense it's just touching the axis. And then you've got that one there where it's not going through the axis at all. So we've got two real roots there. We've got repeated roots there. And we've got no real roots there. The word real is in there because if you do further maths, you'll realise you can have these things called imaginary roots, but we don't need to worry about that at A-level. But that's what that means. Okay, so let's have a look at what's going to happen. So to determine whether or not we've got real roots or not, we're going to have a look at the discriminant, b squared minus 4ac. So we've got b squared, so that's minus 12 squared minus 4 times by a times by c. And so that's 144. That bit there for 16.9, that's 144 as well, equals 0. Okay, so what's happening with these? Well, real roots, that one there, b squared minus 4ac will be greater than 0. For this one, b squared minus 4ac will be equal to 0. And this one, b squared minus 4ac will be less than 0. So what we need to do now is just say, well, what have we found out? The fact that it's equal to 0, so we have got repeated roots. And there's our geometric description.